issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cross Plains, or near Middleton, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Fitchburg, Middleton, Stoughton, Verona, Oregon, McFarland, Monona, Edgerton, Cottage Grove, Cross Plains, Deerfield, Shorewood Hills, Cambridge, Maple Bluff, Albion, Utica, Rockdale, Madison, and Camp Randall Stadium. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This is the NOAA